Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5 to the app. In order to add it to the app, you need to download the Xiaomi Home app. Once you have it, you may need to log into it, and after that you will be able to click on plus in top right corner. Click on Add Device and make sure that your robot is turned on. If it shows up as a nearby device in the list here, that is great, you can just click on it. If it doesn't, click on Robot Vacuum on the list and scroll down until you find the Robot Vacuum 5. Now, you will need to press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot, the power and the home button, for about 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. So let's press them.
Waiting for the network setup.
Now select Device Reset in the app. Then make sure you are connected on your phone to a Wi-Fi network that is 2.4 GHz because 5 GHz networks cannot connect. You may click on Select to change the network. Then enter its password so it can be sent to the robot, so the robot knows how to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now also tick this user agreement and click on Next. Now it'll start connecting. You can see that it has discovered the device and it's now sending all the data to the robot. It'll take just a little moment.
Network connected successfully.
And now it says network connected successfully. Set the room that you'd like to assign your robot to, basically where the robot is, so it's organized in the app. It doesn't really matter if you have just one thing in the app, but if you have multiple Xiaomi devices in the app, it's worth organizing them. You can also create a new room, click on Next, and now you can also rename your robot. I will skip that by clicking Next. Now I'll agree to the user agreement, I'll skip the guide, but you can watch it, and that's basically it. Your robot is ready. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.